So in this question 14, this is for the June 2021 5129 Combined Science Paper 11 syllabus. In this question 14, we have a condenser. So a condenser is typically used in the distillation apparatus. Distillation is a year 9 topic under separation technique in terms of purity of substances. So when you have a mixture, you can separate out technique. How do I spell technique? Techniques. Okay, so you will have a mixture of substances. So this is your solution mixture, and then whichever one that boil first will go up. So you know you will boiling, or you can call it evaporation. Essentially is turning from a liquid to gas, and then the gas will escape through the side there. So the gas come in through P, the hot vapor will come in through P because it goes in this direction. And then the cold water, you use a cold water, essentially the cold water goes in. It's a three-dimensional setup instead of this two-dimensional drawing, so it's like a jacket. So it basically cools down. The water is cold, it cools down the vapor. So inside there you get condensation. Condensation is when you get gas turning back to liquid. So they all together, there are two processes involved in distillation. One is evaporation and boiling. The other one is condensation. So water in from the bottom and water out from the top. This is something that they like to ask students as well, so make sure you know that. So they say about this term enter. Enter means go in or come in. So the water comes in at position R, and obviously the hot vapor comes in at position P. That's the easy bit. Answer is B there.